From starting out her career as a child star at 5 years old in the 2010 remake of True This Liit, actress Jillian Ward has blossomed into a young woman who looks forward to doing more challenging roles this year. Starting this year, Jillian revealed she has moved out of their family home and has gotten her own place in the city. So far, I'm learning a lot. Talagang daming nagtatransform sa buhay ko. I feel like I'm maturing. This year actually, sinastart ko na yung pagiging independent. I'm staying sa sarili kong unit, ganyan. And meron din akong bagong project, yung My Ilonggo Girl. So lahat bago and ang dami ko talagang natututunan so far kahit January pa lang, she told ABS-CBN in an exclusive interview after being launched as a premier Drips S-acetyl-glutathione endorser last January 29. With her standout roles as a child star, Jillian admitted it was a bit hard for her fans to get used to seeing her in more mature roles and that she actually went through an awkward phase, which is normal for most child stars. Actually, nung una naging mahirap talaga siya kasi nagkakaroon ako ng awkward stage nung mga 10 to actually 17 years old awkward stage ko yon. Pero nung ginawa ko yung abot kamay na pangarap, yun talaga yung project na naging sobrang supportive yung mga tao. And slowly, natatanggap na po nila na nagdadalaga na ako and 20 na ako next month, she shared. Despite all this, the talented actress said she still appreciates the support and concern from her fans and just always tries to remind them about her current age. I went through an awkward stage talaga. Sa projects medyo nahirapan sila kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung bagay na roles, kung pambata ba or dalaga na, ganyan. Nung mga time na yun, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, alagaan ko lang yung sarili ko. Minsan may mga comments pa rin na naiisip nila na mga 13 years old pa rin ako, ganun. Parang hindi sila sanay sa mga roles ko or minsan sa mga sinusuot ko. Hindi sila sana why pagka nakaganito, gown, ako na pananamit. So remind ko sila na hala, guys, mag-20 na ako next month, laughs. She added. As the Kapamilya Network continues its collaborations with GMA, the Sparkle artist also revealed which stars she would love to get the chance to work with in projects in the near future. Gusto ko makawork si Mim Vice, ganda, sobra. Kapag nagkikita kami talagang napaka-sweet niya sa akin kaya sobrang mahal na mahal ko siya. Si Coco Martin, pati sila Sir John Lloyd Cruz, gusto ko talaga makawork lahat lalo na po ngayon na mas open na talaga ang GMA at ABS-CBN sa isa't isa. She admitted. Jillian Ward was born in 2005 to a Filipino father Elson Penzon and a Filipino-American mother Jennifer Ward Penzon. She first made her on-screen debut in a powdered milk commercial before getting the title role in the 2010 comedy True This Liit followed by several leading roles in Kapuso Network daytime dramas.